What's on my work table today? Well, actually, it's kind of like my bed too. This is my table. I'm working on another little bitty backpack. And this is my glamping camping one. And I'm gonna do some different things with this one. I've already taken the inside and made a large pocket. So I made it, cut it out, and then I just sewed it on there, and it's gonna be open at the top, of course. And also it'll have another pocket inside on the back, which is here. And I have yet to finish this up. This is what the little flap will look like. That will fold down over the front. This is here. And then the flap will fold down like that. And then it'll have the straps. So there's that one. We'll show you how it turns out later. Thank you.